Hello, this is Jose from City of Cars. Just wanted to do that POV test drive for you on that Macan. So let's go ahead and hop into the driver's seat here. And we'll go ahead and take it for a quick spin around the block. So nice thing, again, 2 sets of keys on this Macan. All you gotta do is press the brake, turn it on. It's gonna fire right up for us. Let's zoom out here a little bit. Safety first, we're gonna go ahead and put our seatbelt on. Pop it in reverse. As you can see, backup camera is gonna appear there. Let's go ahead and lower the volume on the radio. There we go. And we're gonna lower the fan speed. Now you can hear the car itself. Put it in drive. And we'll take it for a quick spin around the block. As you can see, vehicle's driving straight, very responsive. Got a nice little flat area here. I'm going to let go of the steering wheel, let you see that it is driving straight. Take it back over here. At about 29 miles an hour. As you can see, definitely hugs the road all day long. Nice smooth shifts. We're gonna let's go ahead and roll up the windows. Doing a little bit of knee driving there. There we go. Hands back on the wheel. Definitely a very quiet interior once the windows are actually rolled up. Go ahead and put our blinker on here. Kind of plain Frogger. Kind of a fun intersection here, and looks like we got a gap, so we'll go ahead and use it. But definitely everything's being working order. See? Car's driving nice and straight, smooth. Definitely a very good ride. Always fun this time of year in Michigan. We got a construction zone, so always fun dealing with that. But we're gonna pull into our buying center here, and we'll just do one last walk around the vehicle for you. Wait for traffic. Meanwhile, highlight some of the interior here just for the fun of it to kill some time, but everything's nice and clean. Like I mentioned before, a nice little multimedia slot there. Looks like we got a gap again. Boom. Pull right in here. Let's go ahead and put it in park. And we'll do just one last exterior kind of walk around on the car. Hopefully a very nice ride. And I'm hoping this video kind of helped you as far as kind of getting a virtual test drive. But obviously if you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call. But hopefully this video helps you out, and we'd love to earn your business.